depends on what you love in a smartphone. Is it the hardware, like it comes with good chipsets, or you are a fan of the good punchy AMOLED screen that displays color in an awesome way? Others are for the camera. Well, Vivo S1 Pro versus Redmi Note 8 Pro is a comparison to look out for, the one that offers quality at an affordable price. But first, let's talk about the prices and availability of this smartphone globally. Vivo S1 Pro will be launched globally pretty soon, but Redmi Note 8 Pro is now available globally, and both smartphones will be made available globally and in India. Talking about the display of these two smartphones, we get to see Vivo S1 Pro coming with an AMOLED screen which displays color and is great for movie watching, unlike Note 8 Pro that comes with an IPS SD touchscreen. We can see that comparison on the screen, but Vivo S1 Pro is surely a better choice when it comes to display. And being a fan of hardware, so many persons are complaining about the MEDIATEK chipset that was featured in the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, while Vivo S1 Pro comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665. Both chipsets are almost similar. They are both mid-range chipsets. However, Redmi Note 8 Pro MediaTek G90T is a chipset that can manage heat and is great for high performance like gaming. The chipset was built specifically to enable the smartphone to manage heat, process as fast as possible, and also is great for gamers. Both smartphones comes with 8GB of RAM, but Note 8 Pro also have a choice for you to buy the one of 6GB RAM. Hence, it therefore means that Redmi Note 8 Pro is more friendly because it comes at a more cheaper price. And if you are a great gamer, definitely Redmi Note 8 Pro will be a better choice. And in terms of the internal storage, both smartphones comes with 128GB internal storage, and there's also an option for an SD card. And when it comes to the battery size, both smartphones comes with a 4500 mAh battery capacity that supports 18W fast charge. Now, when it comes to the camera aspect, Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro is one of the few smartphones in the tech industry that pioneered the 64MP rear camera. In terms of camera, Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro wins. Here is a sample of both smartphones. The one on the left is the 48MP main camera of Vivo S1 Pro, and the one on the right is the 64MP of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. So, which of these two smartphones camera do you prefer? You can drop your comments, your suggestion, your opinion and question in the comment section below, and please don't forget to subscribe. I remain your humble and simple guy, my HD. Until see you next time. For now, do have a nice time.